Ever wondered how successful businesses stay on top of their finances and consistently make smart decisions? Well, the secret is in the details. The accounting details to be more specific. In this video, I'll explain what monthly accountants actually do for your business. I'll even help break down some numbers that will make sense to your business's situation, so you can decide if a monthly accountant is right for you. First of all, every business, large or small, must do some form of accounting. Aside from the legal reasons, all successful businesses have to have well-functioning accounting systems in place. Your options boil down to doing it yourself using software, using an annual tax accountant, actually hiring an employee or department to do your accounting, or outsourcing to a monthly accounting firm. Depending on the situation your business is in, certain options will be better than others. At CSI, we define a good fit for our monthly accounting services to be businesses making roughly between $500,000 and $10 million a year, as well as those business owners who want to get these tasks off their plate so they can focus on growing. Now, being a full-service monthly accounting firm, you can only guess which option we like. But in all seriousness, we only want to work with clients who are a good fit for us, and we truly want everyone to use the option that's best for them. With that said, we like to speak on what we know best. So let's go over the benefits that are unique to monthly accounting. Monthly accounting can be more cost-effective than hiring a full-time internal accountant or maintaining an accounting department. Compared to a one-time annual accountant, monthly accounting can help identify potential cost-saving opportunities throughout the year, rather than addressing them only once at the year end. Financial insights and analysis. Monthly accounting provides regular financial analysis and insights, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and identify trends or issues as they emerge. Expertise and experience. Monthly accounting firms often have a broad range of industry experience and knowledge, which can be advantageous compared to an internal accountant who may have limited exposure to different industries. External accountants are more likely to be aware of the latest tax laws, accounting standards, and best practices, ensuring compliance and potentially reducing the risk of fines or penalties. Time saving. Outsourcing accounting tasks to a monthly accountant can save business owners time, allowing them to focus on core business functions. Compared to doing it yourself with software, monthly accounting can help ensure accurate and timely financial reporting, reducing the time spent on troubleshooting and correcting errors. Scalability. As a business grows, monthly accounting can easily scale to meet increasing demands, whereas an internal accounting department may require additional hiring or training. Monthly accountants can also provide advice on the best strategies for managing growth, such as implementing new accounting systems or restructuring the business. Flexibility. Monthly accounting offers flexibility in choosing the services needed, allowing businesses to tailor the engagement to their specific requirements. This level of customization is typically not available with do-it-yourself software or an internal accounting department. Risk mitigation. Monthly accounting can help identify and manage risks, such as potential fraud or non-compliance with tax laws, more effectively than an internal accountant or do-it-yourself software. An external perspective can be valuable for detecting internal control weaknesses or errors, which may be overlooked by an internal accountant. Continuity and reliability. With monthly accounting, businesses can ensure continuity and reliability of their accounting function as they are not reliant on a single individual or a small team. In contrast, an internal accountant may leave the company, take vacation, or fall ill, potentially disrupting the accounting function. Networking and business development. Monthly accountants often have extensive networks and can provide introductions to all professions, such as bankers, lawyers, and consultants, who may be beneficial to your business. Access to advanced technology. Monthly accounting firms usually have access to cutting-edge accounting software and technology, enabling them to provide more efficient and accurate services than do-it-yourself software or an internal accounting department. Overall, monthly accounting offers a range of unique benefits when compared to other accounting options. Its cost efficiency, expertise, flexibility, scalability, and risk mitigation capabilities make it an attractive choice for businesses seeking to optimize their accounting function. To break down the value of monthly accounting even further, I want you to really think about how invested you are in the growth of your business, and therefore how much your time is worth. I say this because using a monthly accounting service is an investment into your business. It will save you time and money, but only if you're headed in the right direction as a business owner. In other words, monthly accounting won't magically fix your business or print money, but it definitely will guide you down the best path to keep you growing and succeeding. Now let's break down some numbers. The average business income of our clients at CSI is around $1.2 million a year. To give a conservative example, let's even call it $500,000 a year. Well, as a small business owner, if you're working 40 hours a week, that's 2,080 hours a year. And if we know small business owners, they're often working even more. This means that with a business income of $500,000 a year, your time is worth at least $240 an hour. Now, how much time do you spend on accounting tasks every month? This includes recording all financial transactions, reconciling bank accounts, reviewing accounts receivable and accounts payable, preparing financial statements, and not to mention payroll. Spending at least 10 hours a month on these tasks is fairly common for small businesses. 10 hours times $240 is $2,400 every month. Our average monthly accounting fee is $675 per month. Add on our payroll service and make it $900 per month. So compare $2,400 worth of your time as a business owner to $900 of average monthly fee, and that's about a $1,500 worth of your time per month you could be reinvesting back in your business. As your business grows and with it your income, the value of monthly accounting will only go up. This is especially true since we don't charge based on an income level, but rather a flat fee. Now you can plug in whatever numbers you like into this equation so it aligns with your situation. Just be honest with yourself about how valuable your time is to the growth of your business. Of course, saving time isn't the only way in which monthly accounting saves you money. We also provide financial advice, tax consultation, IRS audit representation, tax filings, and all-around expertise for any of your questions anytime. You'll also be thankful when you'll never have to worry about incorrectly filing taxes, misclassifying employees, or receiving IRS letters again. So to sum it up, if you're fully invested in your business and your goal is to make it optimized, then monthly accounting is a necessity. Getting by without it will only cause problems for you later on when you've grown even bigger. If you're still not sure whether you need monthly accounting, check out some of the specific benefits that a monthly accountant can provide by checking out this video. Subscribe to our channel and let us know if you have any questions in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.